Your iPhone battery is draining fast and running hot on iOS 26. This video walks you through every proven fix, from the easiest to the most advanced. Follow the steps in order, and your battery life should recover quickly.
After any major iOS update, background tasks are still working. Your iPhone is re-indexing files, downloading new assets, and optimizing apps. This usually takes 2 to 4 days. So first, simply wait 48 to 72 hours before changing anything. Next, make sure you're on the latest iOS point release. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. Install any available update. Also update your apps in Settings, under Apps, then App Store, and turn on App Updates.
A simple restart clears stuck processes that drain power. Press and hold the side button with volume up. Drag the slider to power off. Wait 30 seconds. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears.
If your iPhone feels frozen or still drains fast, force restart it. Quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Nothing is erased.
Low power mode instantly reduces background activity. On iPhone 15 and later, go to Settings, Battery, then Power mode. On older models, toggle it directly on the battery screen. On iPhone 15 Pro and newer, also turn on Adaptive Power, which learns your usage and saves battery automatically.
iOS 26's liquid glass effects use extra graphics power. Reduce them to save battery. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and turn on Reduce Transparency. Also enable Reduce Motion under Accessibility, then Motion. And if you are on iOS 26.4 or later, enable Reduce Bright Effects.
Find out which app is eating your battery. Open Settings and tap Battery. Review the daily usage chart and any insights above it. Then tap View All Battery Usage to see each app with its on-screen and background time. Offload or delete any app that shows heavy background activity.
Background App Refresh lets apps update in the background. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Background App Refresh. Switch it to Wi-Fi, or turn it off completely to save power.
Location tracking is a common hidden drain. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Location Services. For most apps, choose Never or while using the app. Turn off Precise Location for apps that only need a general area.
A Mail fetch bug can drain battery on iOS 26. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Mail, and tap Fetch New Data. Set Fetch to Manually. Your email still arrives when you open Mail, and Push still works for iCloud accounts.
Reduce unnecessary notifications under Settings, then Apps, then Notifications. Turn off the Siri wake word in Apple Intelligence in Siri under Talk and Type to Siri. On supported iPhones, you can also turn off Apple Intelligence completely to stop background processing.
Always on 5G wastes battery when signal is weak. Open Settings, tap Mobile Service, then Mobile Data Options, then Voice and Data, and choose 5G Auto. In areas with no coverage, switch on Airplane Mode from Control Center.
An old battery makes drain worse. Open Settings and tap Battery. On iPhone 15 and later, tap Battery Health. On iPhone 14 and earlier, tap Battery Health and Charging. If maximum capacity is below 80%, or you see service, a battery replacement will restore performance.
Corrupted settings can cause battery drain. Back up your iPhone first. Then open Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset. Choose Reset All Settings and confirm. Your data stays, but Wi-Fi passwords and some preferences are cleared.
If your drain is linked to connectivity problems, reset network settings. Open Settings General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm. The iPhone restarts and you rejoin your Wi-Fi networks.
If nothing else works, a full restore often fixes battery issues. Back up to iCloud or a computer. Open Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Erase all content and settings. Follow the prompts, then restore from your backup, or set up as new.
For a clean system, reinstall, restore with a computer. Connect your iPhone and enter recovery mode by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button until you see the Connect to Computer screen. Open Finder on Mac or the Apple Devices app on Windows and click Update first, then Restore if needed.
If you see the temperature warning, act quickly. Turn off your iPhone and remove the case. Move it to a cooler place, away from direct sunlight. Do not charge it until it cools down. If the warning appears every day, work through the earlier fixes.
Why does this happen? Right after an update, background indexing and app optimization use extra power, which is normal for a few days. Liquid glass effects, Apple Intelligence, background app refresh, and location services add more load. On older iPhones, a degraded battery makes everything worse.
Here is the quick recap. Wait a few days, update iOS and apps, then restart your iPhone. Use low power mode and reduce visual effects. Check battery usage and health, and reset settings if needed. For persistent problems, restore your iPhone. Your battery will thank you.